With most field instruments being powered by batteries, power problems are one of the most common causes of data loss during field campaigns. It seems like every deployment can be an exercise in frustration with electrical tape, globs of silicone, baling wire, doing whatever you can to create power weatherproof connections. We've spent months developing a system called FieldVolt, and today I'm excited to introduce it to you. There are already a lot of battery-in-a-box products out there on the market, but FieldVolt is an entire ecosystem, and better yet, it's an open ecosystem. That means we want you to take this. We've published all the information about it. The connectors are standardized, the pinouts are standardized, the schematics for everything are freely available in the documentation. Encourage other instrument manufacturers that you buy from to use FieldVolt connectors. That's how we make it easy for one standard to power many geophysical instruments and make your field deployment much easier and much more reliable. The connectors that we've standardized on are made by Amphenol Industrial, and they're these really durable connectors that we have hundreds of around the world and have had very good success with. They're a twist lock bayonet style connection, which means it's easy to use even with thick gloves if you're working in a cold region. The ecosystem consists of power sources, chargers, and cabling, and we have a full complement already on our website. You can get complete cables that connect a FieldVolt power source to an instrument with a FieldVolt ready connector, and many of our instruments have now been updated to FieldVolt ready connectors. Or you can get a pigtail lead that allows you to connect a solar panel that you already own or an instrument that you already own to a FieldVolt power source. The connectors are simply labeled in and out, and they have different numbers of pins so you can't mix them up. Power input connectors have 3 pins, power output connectors have 4 pins. There are pins protruding from the input connectors because there's no voltage there until it's connected to its mating connector, whereas output connectors have sockets. This helps prevent debris getting in the connector and causing a short circuit. If you're ready to simplify power on your next deployment, head on over to the new FieldVolt section of our website where you can see the complete line of products that we just launched. Don't forget to subscribe to our email newsletter so you get announcements, updates, sales, and more, as well as check out the FieldVolt standard. All of it's linked in the description down below.